Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Instagram on your Windows PC. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So, first of all, you have to click on the startup menu on the bottom left corner, and here you have to search Store. And after typing only a single letter S, you will see an option like this, Microsoft Store. Click on it to open it. Now, log in with your Microsoft account in this store. And here you have to search on the search bar Instagram. And now you will get the app. So, to normally install the app, click on this Get button. And then this app is going to be installed on your Windows PC. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.